it's our great pleasure to welcome Demetris Iouliou. After 20 years as an entrepreneur, around 14 of those being in the healthy food business, Demetris took a change of direction, and this led him to start his yoga practice.
Thank you, Sophie. Good afternoon, everybody. Yoga made its way to the Western world in the 60s and 70s. Yogis were sent from India into Western countries, the States, the UK, and so on, to basically introduce yoga to the West. Over time, yoga started to become a little bit adapted more to the West and the physical side of things and the life that we tend to follow in the West. We'll start off with some full breathing. Before we go into the actual full breathing, what I want you to do is just to take 2-3 breaths in from the nose and out from the mouth. So I'm kind of going a little bit back on what I said, but we'll start here because it's a way of expelling carbon dioxide from the body. So as you sit at home, the ideal thing is to have a nice straight spine and to have your shoulders nice and open and relaxed, creating some space around the chest area so that you're able to expand the body as you're inhaling and to allow the body to collapse back down in the chest area as you're expelling the air. If you take your hands and you place them around the rib cage area, the feeling here is that of your rib cage expanding outwards as you draw your breath in. As you're inhaling through the nose, your rib cage expands. And then on the exhale, you allow your rib cage to collapse back down with a little bit of extra effort on the exhale, just so that you can get all the air out of the lungs. I hope that initial introduction to full 3-part breathing has had a little calming effect on your body, hopefully on your nervous system. Has helped you just to relax, take it a notch or two down.
Demetris, thank you very much for being here with us. Thank you again so much for your support, loyalty. Have an excellent weekend.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye, guys.